Going to tackle measures of central tendency for group data. We have three measures of central tendency. First is the mean. As you can see, this is the formula for the mean, where x is the mean, n or the total frequency, summation of fx or the sum of the products of mid-interval values and their corresponding frequency. Second is the median. This is the formula for the median, where summation of f or total frequencies, LB sub MC or the lower boundaries of median class, F sub MC or the frequency of median class, CW or the class width, CF or the cumulative frequency before preceding the median class. Lastly is the mode. This is the formula for the mode, where LB sub MO or the lower boundaries of modal class, D sub 1 or the difference of the modal class and the class preceding it, D sub 2 or the difference of the modal class and the classes succeeding it. If you want to join me on computing this, you need to get scientific calculator, ball pen, and a paper. Before we proceed on computing the mean, median, and the mode, first we need to solve for this frequency distribution table. We need to compute these lower boundaries, class mark, fx, and cumulative frequency for us to be guided on computing the mean, median, and the mode. So first, compute for the lower boundaries. On computing the lower boundaries, we need to look for the scores and subtracting it on 0.5. 5 minus 0.5 is equal to 4.5. 11 minus 0.5 is equal to 10.5. 17 minus 0.5 is equal to 16.5. We just need to subtract it on 0.5. Just like the others. 23 minus 0.5 is equal to 22.5. 29 minus 0.5 is equal to 28.5. 35 minus 0.5 is equal to 34.5. On computing the frequencies, we need to get the sum of all the frequency. 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 12 plus 28 plus 14 is equal to 66. Next is we need to get the class mark. On computing the class mark, we need to add this score and divided it on 2. Start. 5 plus 10 is equal to 15 divided by 2 is equal to 7.5. 11 plus 16 divided by 2 is equal 13.5. Just like the others. If you have scientific calculator, you can compute it in yourself. 17 plus 22 divided by 2 is equal to 19.5. Just like the others. 25.5 31, 37. Again, if you have scientific calculator, you can check it on yourself. Third, we need to find fx. On computing the fx, we need to multiply the frequency and the class mark. Class mark is the x. So, start. 7.5 times 2 is equal to 15. 13.5 times 4 is equal to 54. 19.5 times 6 is equal to 117. 25 times 0.5 times 12 is equal to 306. 28 times 31.5 is equal to 882 or 882. 14 times 37.5 is equal to 525. After we compute for the fx, we need to get the sum of the fx. 15 plus 54 plus 117 plus 306 plus 882 plus 525 is equal to 1,899. Last, we need to compute for cumulative frequency. On computing the cumulative frequency, we need to look for the frequency. First, we just need to copy the first frequency and add it on the second frequency. So 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. 6 plus 6, we just need to add it. 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. 6 plus 12 is equal to 24. 24 plus 28 is equal to 52. 52 plus 14 is equal to 66. This is how you get cumulative frequency. So now we are done on computing the frequency distribution table. We can proceed to computing the mean, median, and the mode. First, mean. On computing the mean, we need the frequency, score, class mark, and the fx. Again, this is the formula for the mean. So, what is the total fx? 1,899. We just need to copy this. And n is equals to 66. 1,899 divided by 66 is equal to 28.77. So this is our mean. Second, we need to find for the median. On computing median, we need score, frequency, lower boundaries, and cumulative frequency. Again, this is the formula for median. First, we need to solve for the total frequency or the summation of f. As we discussed earlier, summation of f is stand for total frequency. So this is the total frequency divided by 2. 66 divided by 2 is equal to 33. Pagtapos natin i-solve yan, kailangan natin tumingin dito sa cumulative frequency para makita natin kung saan pasok yung 33. First, here 6, hindi pa rin pasok. 12, hindi pa rin. 24, hindi pa din. So, dito sa 52. Kunin muna natin yung lower boundaries sub MC. Ito. 28. This column. 28. So, the lower boundary sub MC is 28.5. The frequency sub MC is 28. So, ito na. Ito. Sa class width, diba ang sabi natin sa diniscuss kanina, ang class width ay kung ano yung total ng frequency ng number sa ito. Wait. Ilan ba yan? Kunyari, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, diba 6? Ganun mo lang makukuha. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 6 din. Pare-parehas yung ano. So, sa CF naman, or the cumulative frequency, as we discussed earlier, it is the before the preceding median class. Ano ba yung bago preceding ng netong 52? Diba itong 24? Diba itong 24? So, ayan, 24. Ayan. Okay na. Na lang natin. Ika-copy na lang natin. So, ayan. LBMC. Ito, 28.5. Ito na. Plus 33. Kasi, diba, sinolve na natin to kanina. Minus 24, which is the CF, or cumulative frequency, divided by 28, or the frequency sub MC, times 6, which is the class width. So, we are going to solve now. The 33 minus 24 is equal to 9 divided by 28 times 6 is equal to 1.93. Tapos, i-add na natin. Ito, may plus 2 dito. So, 28.5 plus 1.93 is equal to 30.43. Yan. So, nakuha na natin yung mode natin. Panghuli is yung nakuha na natin yung median natin. So, panghuli ay ang mode. Is the mode. We need score frequency and the lower boundaries. Again, this is the formula for mode. First, we need to get the highest frequency. As we can see, the highest frequency is 28. So, this is the lower boundary, which is 28.5. Again, the class width 6. On getting the D sub 1, as we discussed earlier, D sub 1 is the difference of the model class and the class preceding it. So, the difference, we need to get the difference of the class preceding it. So, what is the number? It is 12. So, 28 minus 12 is equal to 16. D sub 2. Again, D sub 2 is a difference of the model class and the class succeeding it. So, anong pagtapos na 28 is 14. So, 28 minus 14 is equal to 14. Now, we get the value of each. We need to compute the mode. So, LB sub MO is equal to 28.5 plus 16, which is the D sub 1, plus D2, which is the 14, times class width, which is the number 6. First, we need to add this one. 16 plus 14 is equal to 30. After that, after getting the answer on 16 plus 14, we need to divide the 16 divided by 30 times 6, which is 3.2. So, we need to add it to get the mode. 28 plus 0.5 plus 33.2 is equal to 31.7. So, this is the mode. Thank you for watching.